Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're at the Metra booth at CES 2020 here in Las Vegas. We're checking out some of the new dash kits that they have here available that were released this year. Some for older vehicles that now have a solution for single and double DIN units. Let's check them out. This one specifically that we're highlighting is the Subaru Ascent double DIN dash kit, allowing you to install either a single or double DIN dash kit in the factory location. It's the 95-8911HG kit, painted to match the factory. This kit includes the bezel and brackets, and it's pretty universal. So if you have a standard double DIN or single DIN radio you want to install in the factory location, this is the kit for you. If you want more information, go ahead and check out Metra's website. Again, this is the 95-8911HG kit. Thanks for watching.